A great airdrop is happening, but you need to act fast. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to secure your share step by step without risking a dime. Missing this could cost you hundreds of dollars in free tokens, and trust me, you don't want to be the last to know. For participating in this airdrop, you need to fill a form. I have put the link to the form in our Telegram post, and the link is below in the description of this video. You need to only click and enter our Telegram post, and there you can enter this airdrop and also get the new updates about this airdrop and other new airdrops. So for that, let's start it, guys. So for participating and being eligible for this airdrop, you need to answer correct to a few questions. And also, you should know only 5,000 people will get this airdrop. So you gotta be in a hurry, okay? You gotta hurry up because only limited people will receive this airdrop. So here it says in the OOJU ecosystem, what reward is provided when a validator supplies verified data? So the answer is OOJU coin. In the OOJU ecosystem, validators who supply verified data are rewarded with OOJU tokens. So let's go on to the next question. Also, question number 2. What are the 4 main utilities of the OOJU coin? So the network reward, network fee, staking, and governance. Let's go on. And here, question number 3 asks you, OOJU coin aims for an economy. What word fills the blank? So this is the blank, and we want to choose from them. It says machine economy. So we need to choose machine economy. So let's head over to the question number 4. It asks us, so that's all. We need to continue. So this is the OOJU airdrop special present. Question number 1, part 2. It asks, what is the unique packaging shape of COSBOL products? The correct answer is ball. Let's go on. Question number 2. What's the difference between COSBOL and other cosmetics? The true answer is COSBOL uses ball-shaped single-use packaging for hygiene and convenience. So the correct answer is number 1. Continuing to question number 3. What role does COSBOL play in OOJU ecosystem? Correct answer is number 1, data generation and validation nodes. Go on to the next one. So here it says that if you participate in OOJU quiz and answer all questions correctly, you will receive an email with instructions on how to claim your OOJU airdrop. And if you participate in both OOJU quiz and COSBOL quiz and answer all questions correctly, you will be entered into a lucky draw, and winners will receive cosmetic gifts provided by OOJU partner COSBOL. So here you need to enter your email address. So that's it, and now you can view your score after submitting your form. Here my total point is 20 out of 20, and it says we will ask you questions about, and that was true. Now you can see all the correct answers here, and they say participants who correctly answer OOJU quiz will be emailed instructions on how to receive the airdrop from the OOJU project, and the first 5,000 participants who correctly answer the quiz will receive an airdrop reward. Guys, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.